Hey, health enthusiasts! Ever wonder how you could power up your immune system and rejuvenate your body like never before? Let me introduce you to something revolutionary, ImuRegen. Created back in 1983 in Europe and exclusively distributed by the visionary team at Forever Healthy Products, ImuRegen is no ordinary food supplement. Oh no, it's a powerhouse of unique dietary ingredients that are total game changers. Let's break it down. ImuRegen contains 3 incredible blends: the 5 nucleotides, essential and non-essential amino acids, and 118 oligopeptides, plus some essential vitamins and minerals like zinc, vitamin C, and iron. Sounds complex, right? But here's the kicker: these aren't just random ingredients, they are meticulously chosen to support the structure and function of your DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis. And why is that cool? Because it plays a crucial role in your body's stem cell production and function. Now you might be wondering, why do we even need all these fancy scientific terms? Well, our DNA is the blueprint of our lives, constantly undergoing damage and repair. Remember the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2015? Yep, it was all about DNA repair. ImuRegen ensures there's a constant supply of the building blocks needed for these repairs. And the best part? You don't even need to step out of your house to get this magic potion. ImuRegen is now delivered right to your doorstep, whether you're in the UK, the European community, the USA, Singapore, the Philippines, and soon over 100 countries worldwide. So if you're like me and you're looking for that secret sauce for better health, why not give ImuRegen a try? I've been taking my dose of ImuRegen daily, and let me tell you, it feels like my immune system got an upgrade. If you're interested, check the links in the description box below and how to avail ImuRegen online. Dive into the world of ImuRegen and let's get our health game on. Trust me, your body will thank you. Stay healthy, stay energized.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you ImuRegen. Imu represents immunity and regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue, which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. ImuRegen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.